Alright, so here's my latest nemesis. This is haggis. I spent a lot of years living in the UK. I'm vaguely familiar with haggis. I've never had it before though, so I'm hoping it's not ultra vile. It says I need to heat it up for a couple minutes, so I'm gonna get on that. It's open, it looks gross, and it straight smells like dog food, like wet dog food. Ugh. Well, I know what that looked like. And it's like boiling in its own guts. What? Oh, dude. I absolutely do not know what to make of this stuff. It's just like, it smells less like dog food now that it's microwaved. But. All right, so here we go. Haggis. Okay, now it smells like hot dog food. Wow. I was expecting it to be gross. It's actually pretty fucking good. I can't believe it. Oh no, there's an aftertaste. Ooh. Yeah, that tastes like lamb, but like cheap lamb that was hit by a bus. Ugh. Oh, I can't do it anymore.